Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rahmat Jumadi. I will read to fulfill the English video assessment. Okay, reading text, digital habits across generation. Today, grandparents are joining their grandchildren on social media, but the different generation online habits couldn't be more uh, different. In the United Kingdom, the over 55 second are joining Facebook in increasing numbers, meaning that they will soon be the cities second biggest user group with 3.5 million users aged 55 to 64 and 2. and 2.9 million over 65 seconds. Sheila, aged 59 says, I joined to see what my grandchildren are doing as my They Deuder posts video and photos of them. It's much better way to see what's the doing than waiting for letters and photos in the post. That's how we did it when I was a child, but I think I'm lucky I get to see so much more of their lives than my grandparents did. Ironically, Sheila grandchildren are less like, likely to use Facebook to use Facebook themselves. Children under 17 in the United Kingdom are leaving the site to only uh, 2.2 million users are under 17 to but they not going far from their smartphones. Clue aged 15 even sleeps with her phone. It's my alarm clock, so I have to see size. I look at it before I go to sleep and as soon as I wake up. Unlike her grandmaster generation, Clue's egg group is spending so much time on their phones at home that they are missing out on spending time with their friends in real life. Sheila, on the other hand, has made contact with all friends from school, so she has here. From in 40 years, we use Facebook to arrange to meet all over the country. She says it's changed my social life completely, completely, completely. Okay, next, uh, teenagers must have their parents to thank for their smartphone and social media education, as their parents were the early adopter adopt, adopters of the smartphone. Fitir uh, 30 38 and father of two Esther Fresen. Sorry, uh, 38 and father of two teenagers. Teenagers refers the that he used to be on his phone or laptop content line. I was always I was always I was always connected, and I felt like I was always working. He says, how could I tell my kids to get off their phones if I was always in front of a screen myself? So in in the evenings and at weekends, he he takes his SIM card out of his smartphone and fast in I in into an all style mobile phone that can only make calls and send text messages. I'm not completely cut off from the world, world in case of uh, emergencies. But the important things is I'm setting a better example to my kids and spending more quality time with them. Is it only a matter a matter of time until the generation above and below better catches up with the new trend for a less digital life? Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.